Will you lose your photos or snaps if you deactivate your Snapchat? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So if you want to know that if you deactivated your Snapchat account, then your memories, snaps or photos will be deleted or lost, then Snapchat gives you 30 days to reactivate your account. So during this time, your photos or snaps and memories will remain intact. Other users will not be able to see your profile, send you messages, or interact with your account. So, after 30 days, what happens is if you do not reactivate your account within 30 days, then your account will be permanently deleted, and all your snaps, memories, and data associated with the account will be erased and cannot be recovered. Memories are saved to Snapchat's cloud and are tied to your account. If you deactivate it and later reactivated your account within 30 days, your memories will be still there. If your account is permanently deleted after 30 days, all memories will be lost. So, the snap sent to your friends will remain visible to the chat or snap history as per Snapchat's standard setting. If the snap has been saved in the chat by your friend, it will be still accessible to them. So, you won't lose your photos, snaps, or memories if you deactivated your account within 30 days. So, in this way, you can easily know that your streaks or photos or snaps will remain uh, within the 30 days of deactivations. After that, it will be lost. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.